Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 2016 Ford Interceptor utility, and this one is by Matchbox, and this is from their main lines. This is actually from their 2023 mainline series, and I bought this for 149 rupees, which is the MRP. So right now we are not getting anything at all in India. I am lucky to buy literally every single one of the main lines from 2023. I do have a lot to unbox, to be very honest with you guys, but I'm not getting time to do all those things. So I'm just trying to make it. Let's see. Okay, here is the car. Okay. So the initial impressions of this car are like, so the casting looks really beautiful. It is not heavy. It is actually weightless, but the paint job looks really nice. It actually looks really nice, and it has the bumper here, which is made of plastic. So this one is actually mounted with the chassis here. It is not a removable piece or anything. And another good thing is, so Matchbox cars, at least so far, I think whatever we unboxed so far, everything has this rear view mirrors, which is really nice. And the lights here, you can see this is actually made of plastic. So both headlights and tail lights are painted, and the wheels are actually made of plastic. So the chassis is also made of plastic. So the body is only made of metal, and it has some good detailing, interior detailing to it. So the windows are actually tinted, so I can't able to show you everything, guys. But it does have some detailing to it, which is really nice, especially for a 150 rupees car. And these things here are painted now. The door handles, you can see. These are. Let me just. Yeah, it is a bit embossed and painted on it. Okay. Kutina County, I don't know what it is. No, it feels really funny when reading that. Okay, so this has some kind of latch mechanism where I think you can add some trailer to it and you can just play with it. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls really fast, that I can say. It does very less wheel wobble actually, not that much. It is not that noticeable, but it does have a little bit of wheel wobble to it. So the paint job has some issues as usual. You can see here a little bit, but it's fine. The casting is really good, so it's okay. At least for me, it's okay. But if you guys prefer a perfect paint job or anything, then don't. Then just check everything before you buy. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.